Hey, what's up, everyone? It's me, Matt from Diazville, coming at you with another reaction video. And today we're checking out the band Bad Woes with the song Bad Friend. And a little bit of information about them. They are a hard rock band. They used to be more metalcore when they first came out, but now they're more hard rock. That is like has a lot of members from old bands like Bury Your Dead, God Forbid, and the Acacia Strain. And they've put out a couple albums. And I think they're based out of LA, California. I heard about them back in 2016 with their first single ever called Learn to Live. And that was like a super banger of a song. I've been up and down with how I felt about Bad Wolves over the years since they've gone more of the hard rock approach. But yeah, I'm still down to check out what they got. So they got their new song, Bad Friend. Let's see.
You're a bad friend. I'm not sad, it had to end. Now I just pretend that we were friends. I see you around the bend every now and then, every now and then.
Okay, the song starting off is kind of like a little bit softer and acoustic and weird. I was not expecting that, but I like this shot of the knives in his body. As messed up that is, pretty cool shot with the color and everything. That was a long intro to get into some music, just saying. I'll say the one thing I love about this band always is the guitars. They always sound pretty good, even when they're like doing more horror rock, but they're going like more metal now. Ooh.
Memories and photographs, don't wanna bring it all back. Life's barely work at all. Unconditional, favors you need this and that. Yeah, man, I'll call you right back. Like trains, you flash and fall. Unforgivable, hypocritical. Take another look at your smile. Why do you have to stay in denial? Not that surprised that you let me down.
I'm still, I don't know how I feel about DL's like vocals. I'm very split. Like on one side, like his vocals sound good on top of this song, but I wish he would like do more screams and harsh vocals, which makes me think canny, because like I feel like the songs, well, they're just more like hard rock ballads, and it's like not that bad, but it's like not what I want from Bad Woes, I think, but it's still pretty solid.
Another way to survive, just another way to get by. My hands are bound, I'll see you around, 'cause bad friends are your love.
Like the guitars just sound so visceral and so like, oh, like they just cutting, just like those girls cutting up in this video. They're just so, they cut deep.
Phone rings, that fucking sound. Somehow my money they found. Being kind barely works at all. Friends are counterfeit like they're proud of it. Rearrange and do the math. It's not as simple as that. My mind can't decide at all. I'm too critical, you're
much of me wants to like this song, this band wants me to like DL because I like DL from his old work with the Acacia Strand. I like him, and I'm not trying to judge, but it's just like I just want it to sound heavier. Like he's, I feel like his vocals could work in like any other genre, but I want it to be, But DL, if you happen to see this, still very good job, my man. Very good. Still great vocals, I think, for the most part.
Like strangers in a hallway, it's best we go our own ways. I'm leaving town, I'll see you around, 'cause bad friends die alone. Take another look at your smile, why have to stay in denial? Not that surprised that you let me down. Find another way to survive, just another way to.
I will say the video is kind of cool here and there with like the girls and everything, and some of the effects and everything. Not that bad of a video. I've never been so conflicted with the band, but I think I can't get too mad because I think they cater into a crowd that's not me. Like I'm more of a heavier sounding guy, and I like their heavier stuff, but they're going more into that hard rock. They just been into that hard rock. That's where they're getting their money, so I can't get mad. And like I really do want to like the song, but I think because I'm just so used to old Bad Wolves that it's hard for me to like new Bad Wolves. I'm one of those fans. But I think it's a lot. This is going to be a good song for a lot of other people, but I'm just so middle of the road about it. Like it's good. Everything's good, but it's not what I want. It's like two genres coming together that I'm like, about. But yeah, Bad Wolves, Bad Friend. It's out now on all the streaming places here and whatnot. And new album probably coming soon. So yeah, check them out. Woo! Hey guys, have you checked out any of the merch from Diazable that we have on our online store? We have some of these designs up. Some cool gym looking gear. Fan favorite, Baby Noodle. Be a fucking devil. Yeah, some of our most hated merch ever. But I love Hate Breed. Yay. Sticker packs too. Who doesn't like Baby Noodle eating pizza? Yeah. Keychains. Yeah. And of course, we have koozies. Yeah, who doesn't like a good koozie? So check out our merch store, diazable.com, and support your local business. And a friend who's not trying to work a 9 to 5 anymore. Trying to do something with my life.